People just interrupted my shit. What they got to do with the price of apples in New York? Anyway, what's up, y'all? Mud Life here. Got a bit of an issue.
OTM.
Got a bit of an issue. Tell the trail, come here. We need to look at that. Got a bit of an issue. Hope y'all can see me. But the Glock 23, Gen 3. I think it's Gen 3. I don't know if you can look at them and tell what gen they are. Can you? But yeah, I think it's a Gen 3. Anyway, the China shit is empty. My brother wasted his orange soda on his Glock earlier today. So he want me to clean it for him. And yes, he has the extendo for it. I really don't see too much soda. He say he weighs some. I don't know. Well, we're just gonna take a little hops number 9. Clean it up right quick. Just a little bit, not much. That stuff is pretty strong. But yeah, we're just gonna take the hops. Can y'all see me? I hope y'all can see me. Make sure y'all can see me. Yeah, like y'all can see me. Just gonna take the hops right quick and just clean it up a little bit. Cause I don't see no soda on it. He said he wastes some soda on it. I don't see it. So I'm just gonna take the hops in. I ain't finna do nothing, baby. What's up? Y'all know my wife talk to.
They getting the bed.
Me too. No.
All over YouTube. Come on, Deja. Mark. Come on. Who did your hair? Come here, cut your hair. You cut that hair like that?
Yeah. My girlfriend cousin cat is over here. Be happy when they leave. He got a gun on my brother Juice.
Where can we sit out? Okay.
He said he wasted some soda on it. I don't see him.
Dude, cause I came in here and did a thorough clean while you was outside.
You use the hops?
Huh?
You use the hops?
No.
What you use? Gun oil?
Yep.
To clean the gun?
No,
I'm just asking.
I use gun oil to lubricate the gun after I clean it. I'm not an asshole. What the fuck?
I just ate,
Ladies and gentlemen, y'all see how he tried to do his younger brother? Think I don't know shit about gun. I was a gun enthusiast before he was. I put him on this shit. I'm the reason his dick is hard off guns now. His shit. I was born that way. I know it might sound kind of strange, but hey, real enthusiasts know. They know. 10. Close up. Right or wrong, don't they know? Oh, thank you. That's all I did was a head nod. Thank you.
But this is it. It still got a little light coating of oil on it. Just wipe all this off. Clean it up a little bit. Pretty much it though, Just want, like he said, he cleaned it up pretty good, so it ain't too much for me to do. So just back up. This was strong shit.
Did you apply it?
Huh?
Did you apply it?
Yeah, that's the cleaner. That's what I used to clean it with.
Kind of figured it out.
I'm just gonna take this oil and put a little bit on the frame right here. Right there. That's pretty much all you really need. I got the two little strips
I say, man, see, I ordered the back, nigga, the front, barrel, spring, nigga, look at it. Man, boy, they were leaking, boy.
No, and the captured recoil spring. I'm gonna put a couple drops on the spring. 1, 2, 3.
As you see, there was already drops applied, just letting you know.
I know, just doing for video purposes. Yeah, we just gonna. That's it. And here you go. He's all ready to go. Can you see down the barrel?
Aim it a little bit down, upward, down a little, stop, a little bit more, to the right, left, left.
You know what? Don't worry about it.
Right. Yep.
Ain't no bullet in there.
I know, turn it around.
And then you want to stand behind it while it's around in
Just
there?
turn it around, I'm not gonna be, no. Yes.
That's how we carry it. We don't carry half-ass cock. We carry it.
Why was you about to go with safety?
I don't know if y'all can see it or not. But yeah.
There go that hollow. Oh, it looks so pretty now. Look gorgeous.
Because you know, we carry it with one in the chamber. Because that's how you carry. That's the only way to carry a gun. You ain't got time to be, no, buddy. But anyway, as always, like and subscribe. Like what you see, push that like button for more videos. And like I said, but push that push the like button, push the subscribe button, then turn notifications on. Peace.